How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? We got tornado warnings. We have tornado warnings in Missouri, Illinois, now here in Arkansas. I'm trying to show you guys where they're at. Right there in the red boxes is where we got tornado warnings. Got thunderstorm warnings as well. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tornado warnings. Give me 1 second here. How's it going? We got tornado warnings. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tornado warnings. Trying to show you guys here where you could see them. So everything right here in the red boxes, we have tornado warnings in the tornado watch area. And if you get a tornado warning, that means you need to take cover immediately. So let me see where we're at here. So kind of read these warnings off. So we have 3 tornado warnings right now in southeast Missouri. So near just east of Houston, Missouri, north of Mountain View. I don't know if you guys could see it right there. The 3 boxes here in red, that's where we've got the tornado warnings currently. And then we've got 1 down here in Arkansas. He's moving into Arkansas, northeast Texas. And the strongest point's going to be in eastern Arkansas, western Tennessee, western Kentucky, southeast Missouri, southern Illinois, southern Indiana. We've got a tornado warning in Jerseyville, north of St. Louis. We got thunderstorm warnings in St. Charles, Missouri, Carrollton, Whitehall, Jacksonville, right here in the same area. And then we've got another tornado warning over here, down here in northeast Texas. You don't want to wait if you're down here. You want to get to your safe location. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 tornado warnings. Actually make it 5. So we got 5 tornado warnings right now. Near Ozark National Scenic Riverways, Acres, Hartshorn, and Eunice in Missouri. Shannon, Missouri. Texas, Missouri. Tornado warning remains in effect until 4:30 for northwestern Shannon and east central Texas counties. The severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage was located near Somerville, or 13 miles east of Houston, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Again, that's in west central Shannon County, south central Missouri. And then we've got ping pong ball sized hail in Arkansas, in Howard, Arkansas. Right now. This is a radar indicated tornado warning. Actually, let's see if is that still there. All right, so it looks like it went to a thunderstorm warning, which is good. Still possibly could be a tornado there still. Sorry, I'm trying to see my map and look at the screen map, kind of all over the place. I apologize. He's kind of straighten my screen out. So everything in yellow is where we got tornado watches right now in place. 2-inch hail, 75-mile-an-hour winds coming through the area. Got a squall line. It's going to move east. That are capable of producing some strong damaging winds, some large hail, and embedded tornadoes. These tornadoes you would not be able to see. They would be rain wrapped. So you would not be able to see these tornadoes. So if you get a tornado warning, you don't want to wait. Right there in red, in the red box, not in this particular red line here, but in this red box in this county, there's a tornado warning there. Right there south of Salem. So we're talking Missouri, southwest Missouri, moving kind of into that close area of Illinois. All right, so now we're down to just 2. So in Jersey, Illinois, we got a tornado warning, and then Shannon, Missouri. A quarter-sized hail is being reported right now in Shannon, Missouri. This is a radar-indicated rotation. Looking around to see. I mean, there is definitely some rotation in with that storm here, right there in the red box. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. I might need to change the color on that. Just fine. Change that. So we got another tornado warning. Let me see. Nope. All right. So just in Jersey, Illinois, and then Shannon, Missouri right now. Quarter-sized hail being reported. And flying debris will be dangerous to those that are caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for north central Shannon and southeastern Dent counties in Missouri. At 4:27 p.m., a squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage was located 7 miles southwest of Bunker, or 19 miles southeast of Salem, moving east at 40 miles per hour. All right, so now we're just really down to one tornado warning right there. That tornado warning's moving into Mark Twain National Forest, just south of Salem in Missouri. Shannon, Dent, Missouri. All right. So just the one tornado warning right now. We did have 5. And the strongest parts are going to be in the southeast Missouri, eastern Arkansas, western Kentucky, western Tennessee, northern Mississippi. So we've got 18 severe thunderstorm warnings. And then we got the one tornado warning in Shannon, Dent, Missouri. You want to take cover. You want to move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. You want to avoid windows if you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. You need to move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. You do not want to wait to see or hear this tornado. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And again, kind of show you right there in red. Right here. You can see it. And that red box is where we got that tornado warning. So we got another severe thunderstorm warning. We got severe thunderstorm warnings in Texas, Arkansas, more in Texas, Illinois. Possible tornado right here in, let's see, Arkansas. Let me check that one out. Quarter-sized hail. We're talking National, Metal Springs in this area. Look at the velocity on this. Still just a one tornado warning. It'll expire in 24 minutes. You do not want to wait to see or hear this tornado. You want to seek shelter immediately. I'm going to try to pop up where I can see my live, where I can answer questions too. Try to get myself logged in where I can see that, in case you guys got questions. It's going to be pretty active tonight, and we'll probably start seeing more tornado warnings as the sunset goes down. It's the only downside of spring weather. So again, if you're in Centerville, probably want to take cover too. Like right there, if you're in Mark Twain National Forest, yeah, you do not want to wait. Again, right there in that red box, we got that tornado warning there. Tornado warnings, usually what happens first is the National Weather Service, they'll send you uh, severe storm watches, or they'll send you tornado watches first, and then that is your heads up to watch the weather. And then you obviously, if you get a tornado warning, that means you need to take cover. Let's still 19 severe thunderstorm warnings, producing 1-inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts all over down here and near Murfreesboro. Murfreesboro. Let's take a look. This is a there's a Nashville and Murfreesboro in Arkansas. Yeah, there is some pretty strong rotation there and near Murfreesboro. So if you're in and around that area in Arkansas, you probably want to take cover. Still one tornado warning right now in Missouri. Shannon, Dent, Missouri. Severe thunderstorm warnings. 20 severe thunderstorm warnings right now. We got a line of storms producing 20 severe thunderstorm warnings. One tornado warning right now. Largest I'm seeing, hail. Now, I'm seeing it about 1.25 inches right now. 21 severe thunderstorm warnings. Starting to get stronger. Storm's starting to get a little momentum. Alright, so checking. We got another tornado warning in Florida. Okay. A tornado warning in Florida, Seminole County, East Central Florida, near Lake Mary, Florida. And there is some good rotation there in with the storm near around Lake Mary. If you're in Lake Mary, Florida, you just want to watch the weather down there. I'm going to try to change. Let's do. All right. All right. So let me change a couple things here.